Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Let's solve question 7 of exercise 7a intermediate level mathematics grade 6. So question said that if x degree, y degree and z degrees are three angles lying on a straight line, ये अगर आप right side पे देखिए, so on the right side you have a straight line and then we have x degree, y degree and z degree denoted by orange, green and blue angles. Then part A says that if y degree is x plus z, then we have to find the value of y degree. And if x is equal to y degree is equal to z degree, if all these three angles are equal, then we have to find the value of z. Right? So let's start to solve this question. And we know that for a straight line, the angle is always equal to 180 degree because a complete circle is 360 degree, a perpendicular on a line is 90 degree, and a straight line is 180 degree. Let's also see it with the help of a protractor or a D. Right, so you see 0, 10, 20 till it becomes a perpendicular, it is 90 degree, and then it forms a complete straight line, it is 170 degree and 180 degree. So a straight line always has an angle of 180 degree, and this is useful for us. How? Well, for part 1, if y is equal to x plus b, x plus z, we have to find the value of y, and we know that an angle on a straight line is 180 degree, as we can see from this example. So this means that x plus y plus z, since all these angles combine to form a straight line, right? So the angle would be equal to 180 degree, and we also know that y is x plus z, therefore y is equal to x plus z. Putting this value in this equation, it will become x plus z is equal to 180. This means 2x plus 2z, taking 2 as common, letting it get divided on both sides, gives us x plus z is equal to 90 degree, right? And if x plus z is 90 degree, then y is also y is equal to x plus z, therefore y is equal to 90 degree. And for part 2, we have to see that if x is y is equal to z, we have to find the value of z. So angle on a straight line is 180 degree, we already know that. X plus y plus z is 180 degree, so can we write it x is equal to y is equal to d? So z plus z is, for x we will say that it is equal to z, for y it is also equal to z, and z will come as it is. So 3 is equal to 180 degree and z is 60 degree, and that is your answer.